Hello everyone, petar.jacimovic here from volumeaction.com. I want to post a new update. If you checked my Forex factory thread, I posted my short midterm setup on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I bought a few days ago at the price 0.6515, and I already secured that transaction. The very next day I secured that transaction, and right now I'm in plus around 200 pips. Risk was 100 pips in this one. I'm already 1-2 risk reward ratio, but I will try to catch 1 to 6 since my target area is around 0.740 area, which is approximately 600 pips. One information also for all my subscribers and all my followers, that I no longer trade intraday analysis. I'm back to my original short mid-term trading. Trade the momentum, trade the patterns, trade all that together with volume and pure price action. Since this year I tried to work intraday, and I got let's say I got up and downs, but I got break even on the intraday. I gave a chance to trade the intraday during this year, but it's very inconsistent on longer term period. So if I see that something is inconsistent, I'm back to my original where I got good success, and in the future I will basically work only short, mid-term, even long-term, build some long-term setups on the Forex and also on the stock market, but mostly on the Forex. Basically the reasons why the intraday trading is, in my opinion, it's pure gambling. You can be profitable on intraday. There is but very few percentage of the traders can earn on some longer term period trading intraday or scalping. Basically this is where the risk is very big. 20-30 ticks stop losses are very tight, and it can be easily done by market makers. It doesn't matter what technique you use or whatever, it's absolutely they can hunt your stop loss, because 20-30 pips, it's nothing to move and hunt most of the stop loss orders. So also there is a everyday news, everyday news. There is a pre-news moment, there is a during the news and after news moment, and basically it's a very high risk trading if you want to trade an intraday or even scalping. That's even it is the riskiest way to trade the Forex. And on the Forex, on any financial market, the key point is to protect the risk, so you will not trade something which have a larger risk than something else. And if you compare on that way, only using this way, you don't need to trade actually intraday and scalping, doing every day, sit in front of a computer and still don't create good results. So basically how I'm trading, and I traded when I got good success. I'm backing right now. It's basically using the chart patterns which are discovered many years by many successful traders in the history, of investing, and use like bases, flat bases, uses the trend channels, supply trend lines, demand trend lines, using the also volume and pure price action, closing of the bars, and build on that. Okay, so and basically every setup I'm going to at least 1.4 to 1.5 ratio, and on that way this is the key to success. Let the profit to run, close, put the stop loss, and know where, if something goes wrong, where you will exit, and you don't like that anymore, that your potential trading idea. So you cut the losses early, and you let the profit to run. That's the key to success. And people are wondering, I spoke with some members, ask me, some subscribers, how I can build a good percentage of return. It's very simple. You know, you can put a 2% on a single setup, even sometimes 3%, but let's say 2% you put in the short-term setup. You know, you build there. You, for example, in this example, I did 2% risk. You know, and my stop loss was 100 pips. So I'm going at least to 400, 500 to 600 pips. You know, and that will be that I can earn in a single setup 8 to 12%, even more if I hold more. But let's say since I'm a short term, I want to close on the sum where I found some strong resistance, and that's it. You can earn for a single setup, waiting maybe a few weeks, maybe 1 month. It doesn't matter, but you earn. You know, you earn very good return. You know, imagine you take 10% in a single setup, and you know, because your risk reward ratio and my risk reward ratio is all minimum 1.415. You know, 2 good setups, I can be up 20%. You know, or if I hold for some setups for months, I can earn 110 in a single set, 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. You know, so basically that's how you earn money. You know, that's how all the big traders earn money. They let the profits to run, they trade the patterns, they observe the price action, and then they build positional momentum. What that means, momentum? I got also a question. Momentum trading, it's not term for intraday traders or scalpers. Momentum means, for example, if you got, in this example, you got the base here. This base is about 4-5 weeks base. It's a very solid base on the bottom, and now you see the price is struggling to break here, and now you see the price broke higher in this bar. That's where I start to build position. Volume is okay, you know, volume is not low. That's momentum. You know, momentum of the breakout. You know, breakout of the 5-6 weeks training range. You also got the supply trend line, for example, which is broken around this stage here, but then price bank here and build the selling climax. Climatic actions, we know that even this is the lowest low point on New Zealand dollar. Climatic action on the lowest low point, bar closed on the middle, in the middle closed. That's a big sign of the strength, and later on price went into equilibrium, which is normal. Price accumulate here, and strongholders start to buy, exit their selling positions if they got sellings from this stage here, and they start to buy. How much we can go? There is no person who knows that, but I secure here, and that's how the also smart money is doing. The trigger setup, they secure after a good profit, and then they let to see the price action, what the price action will tell them. So far everything is good, the price is going upward, demand, so very good so far. I found a strong resistance areas here. Basically this is a key swing low here. I place it just below that. Also there is 61.8 from this sub major downward leg, and that's around 38.2 from the major, this downward leg, from the highest high to the lowest low. This is around 38.2. So you have 61.8 from this leg, 38.2 from the major leg, and swing lows. So potentially price will reach that area, and there we may see some correction and probably more continuation or returning to downward. We don't know that, but we don't need to know that. We position ourselves, we are secured, and now we're just waiting to see if something before happened, maybe some buying climax and don't reach my area here. I can even close in this area here, also a 1-5 ratio, since this will be a area of 500 pips. So I have my objective points, but if I see something, for example, some climatic action huge before that, I will close manually, you know, and that's how you trade. If you don't have objective points and you just hold the price action, that's also fine, because you can hold for a month, one good setup, and this can rise and rise in the next months. You know, you can earn even up to 110, 115 risk reward ratio in a single setup. That's how you earn money. The same thing on the stock, the same thing on the Forex. Of course, you need to have skill and experience to spot this and to understand the principles of the price action together with volume and the patterns on the market. And basically, I wanted just to give you this information that I doing no longer intraday. I back to my original trading, short mid-term, and I wanted to post this update. I posted on Forex Factory on the time when I triggered the setup. I posted. That was I think 3 days ago. Yeah, it was 3 days ago. That's the point, you know. And if you like to learn my method, and if you want that I become your mentor, I have my 7 days course when I'm teaching you how I'm trading and the money management rules, and you know, how you can actually earn in any financial market. It's the same rule. There is a same set of rules you need to accept, and you need to follow if you want to have the long-term success in the longer term period. That's it, guys. I hope some of you took New Zealand together with me, if you saw on the Forex Factory, but if you didn't, don't worry, it will be setups in the future. I'm observing like 15-20 currency pairs, and so far this is the only one active right now. Wish you good trading, and we, you know, you can contact me on the Skype. I will put the description below the video, and if you want to talk with me, ask me, or if you want to build some potential cooperation with me, I'm also doing the managing accounts, and you know, if you're interested, contact me, and I will be very happy to start new cooperation. That's it for now. I wish you good trading and have a nice day.